If you have a leaky shower head or are just looking to update your bathroom, replacing a fixed-mounted shower head with a handheld shower head is a relatively easy process. First, close the drain to prevent parts from falling into it. Also place a towel in the tub to protect it from dropped tools and parts. Be sure to shut off the water supply to prevent water from dripping during the exchange. Remove the old shower head, turning the shower head counterclockwise. If this can't be done by hand, use a crescent wrench, being careful to not scratch the finish. Remove the old plumber's tape and make sure the shower arm threads are clean. Wrap the threads with new plumber's tape. Wrap the tape in a clockwise direction 4 to 6 times around the threads, and then press the tape into the threads. Now it's time to install the new handheld shower head. First, screw the handheld shower mount onto the shower arm and tighten by hand, but be careful to not over-tighten this connection. Connect the flexible shower hose to the mount and to the shower head, following the manufacturer's instructions. Place the handheld shower head into the mount. Turn your main water supply back on and then run water in the shower to check for leaks. If leaks occur, carefully tighten the connections until they are gone, or remove the shower head and apply more plumber's tape.